sunshine. So today we're going to be talking all about this $500 Adore Me haul. Let's throw a party, because who does not love sitting down and talking about clothing? I'm sure there are some people out there, but I'm really excited to show you guys what I received, because again, everything fit me so incredibly well. Like, I'm really expecting to see a miss with Adore Me. Like, I'm expecting, like, I don't know why, because I believe everything's gonna go wrong, I guess. But their clothing and their swimwear and their lingerie has fit my body so exceptionally well. And I was really surprised, again, just like blown away by everything that I received in this order that I placed. So in case you have never been on my channel before, or you have no idea what Adore Me is, or you didn't see my last $500 Adore Me haul, let me educate you for a hot second. So basically, Adore Me is the online version of Victoria's Secret, except they have better pricing, they're more inclusive with their sizing, and I just like them way better. Like, I have so much more happiness feelings going towards Adore Me rather than Victoria's Secret. Now, basically how I discovered Adore Me was, it's no secret, I'm plus size. And so finding a bra that fit my bigger bust was a nightmare and a half before I discovered Adore Me. I really don't have a whole lot of like other women that I find in my life that have a bigger bust. So I was kind of on my own trying to find a bra that was cute, that was affordable, and that fit me well. A lot of the bras that I would find and put on would eat, my fat rolls would eat them. Like the Cookie Monster eat cookies, and it's not very comfortable. They would make my breasts muffin top. They would cost me an arm and a leg to buy, and they were not cute. They were like plain and boring and didn't make me feel sexy and empowered. So then I did the online typing and I like looked it up on the internet, and bam, freaking Adore Me popped up, and I was like, hold up, home dog. I have to admit, I'm a hecka super duper cheapskate. Like, I'm like 99 cents for a pair of earrings. Are you kidding me? They should be like 40 cents. Why aren't they 40 cents? Like, I'm really cheap. When I first found Adore Me, I was a little, like 3 months I waited before I placed an order on Adore Me, because I was so hesitant about paying like $50 for a bra and underwear. Now, I know with Victoria's Secret, I know some of their bras are like, it's just $50 and you don't get any underwear with that. And that just blows my mind. But Adore Me does offer straight sizing, and they do offer plus sizes. They offer corsets, they offer swimwear, they offer lingerie, they offer activewear, and I do think they have a little bit of beauty in case you're interested in that. But if I've ordered their activewear, their swimwear, their lingerie, I've ordered everything except a corset from them, and I love everything. I love everything so incredibly much. So the first set that I got from them, I was so super duper in love, and it's been like a solid like maybe 6 months since I've ordered my first set. And just as like a little FYI, I am really clumsy and not very careful with anything I own. Like, I will put my clothing through hell and back like 4 times. I'm just very like, I wiggle a lot. I am not very careful with how I put things away. I'm a little bit messy, so maybe sometimes I step on things. So I don't really take great care of my clothing. Personal flaw of mine. But through all of the washing and the running and the sitting and the maybe not having everything where it should be, everything has lasted. Like, everything has lasted. I don't have any holes in anything. None of the bottoms where the lace is, nothing. No underwire has popped out. It blows my mind, which is why I've spent like $1,200 on Adore Me, because I just love the quality of their underwear and their bras, but mostly their bras so incredibly much. Like, heck yes, I feel like if you can afford it, and I know $50 for a bra and underwear is pricey, especially if you are struggling financially, and there's no shame in that whatsoever. But I feel like you should treat yourself every once in a while, because I am a firm believer in self-care. So maybe you could save up for a set if you're looking for something maybe like special occasions, maybe when you go out on date nights, or maybe just something a little keep away in your underwear drawer for when you're feeling sad or you just want to feel sexy underneath. Because I know when I wear like, I know that, like, all of the bras that I have, like, some of the sports bras I have are, like, and that I wear on a daily basis because I work from home, don't make me feel super pretty. So I know when I'm feeling down, or if I want to feel sexy, or if I want to feel empowered, I throw on some of the lingerie from Adore Me. I know it's going to hold up throughout the day, and I'm not going to have underwire, like, scraping into my arm halfway through the day, and it just makes me feel really, really good. Adore Me does have a VIP program, which I will leave in the comment section down below if you're interested in a membership with them, because with the Adore Me VIP membership, it's kind of like a monthly subscription where if you pay $40, you can get a bra and panty set in exchange, and you get discounted prices. So like instead of paying like the full $50 to $60 for a set, you can get a set for like $29 to $39 depending on the original pricing. So if that's something that you guys would be interested, I'm gonna leave the details to that down in the description box below. But with all of that said, let's get into today's haul. So the first thing that I have to show you guys today is the bottom to a PJ set that I bought. I honestly love these leggings so much. It's so simple, like just a little bit of lace on the bottom, but they're really, really cute. And girl, let me tell you, they are so incredibly comfortable. Like a lot of leggings that I wear, and maybe this is just a problem for me, the band, like the waistband kind of is like really uncomfortable, but it like literally with like these leggings, it doesn't even feel like I'm wearing anything, which is like magic. But again, the lace detailing on the bottom is so simple, and it's honestly so incredibly cute. Here is the matching top to the PJ set. So the bottoms and this top make the set together. I love how you can see the lace in the top and in the bottoms. It makes it really like feel like, I don't know, it was just so incredibly comfortable to wear. The lace wasn't itchy. Everything was nice and long. Like I wear my leggings above my belly button, and these, like the leggings hit where I like them to hit on my ankle, and the tank top was long enough and it wasn't too see-through, so I could definitely feel comfortable like wearing this to like a sleepover or if I had company over, and it was like comfortable enough and like loose enough and airy enough for me to feel comfortable wearing this in the summertime. But I know if I paired a cardigan with it, it'd be really comfortable for me to wear it in the winter too. This swimsuit set, oh my gosh, girls, let's just have a conversation about this because it's so incredibly cute. I love this swimsuit set so much. Like this swimsuit set makes me feel so empowered. It kind of like sucked in my sides a little bit, so it really accentuated my hourglass figure, and I loved how much of my butt it covered, because I don't like a lot of the swimsuits to like have my butt hanging out, but it covered my hips. I didn't feel like I was gonna have like my lady bits be exposed. It was stretchy, but it still felt tight and like kind of almost like spandex where it sucked me in. And I feel like this really, really does an amazing job of complementing my figure. When I first saw it online, I wasn't a huge fan of the pattern, but now that like I see it in person and like wearing it, I love it to pieces. This bathing suit I was a bit disappointed in because I didn't really like how it fit my body compared to how like it looked like on the model's body. However, I do really like the pattern and the fabric and the colors of it. It's so very bold in real life. I wish I could show you guys like a better picture, but it's so pretty, like the fabric. I also really, okay, this bathing suit takes my breath away. Again, it really like just complements my breasts and it complements the hug of my curves without really accentuating my belly. The only thing is I really didn't like how the mesh looked against my chest, because where my cleavage line is, like the mesh looked weird because it wasn't touching any skin. But this bathing suit definitely made me feel like very secure. And what I mean by that is it made me feel like I wasn't worried about anything slipping out. I wasn't worried about anything breaking. I wasn't worried about like, you know, showing things that I didn't want to show. And it was very thick feeling, so I know that I'm not going to have to worry about the bathing suit itself being see-through. I love the mesh, and I love how like the fabric wraps around my bust because it gives it that little bit of like flirty appeal without being too revealing. This is, I have to say, my favorite piece of lingerie that I received from Adore Me. I absolutely love the bright color, but let me tell you, girl, this is comfortable. This isn't that spandex feeling lingerie. Like, this is like, it's not cotton. I don't really know how to describe it, except it's like sweatpants. It's like sweatpants material feeling on my body. It's so comfortable. I love how thick the band is. I'm very, very happy with it. This next set, I have to admit, like, if you guys want to take a look over at my cleavage, you guys can see that the lace kind of rolled in my boob, and I didn't even really realize that. However, this clips in the front and has two bows detailing the straps. I love this type of bra. It's just like a t-shirt bra. You guys saw me wearing it in the beginning. It's very comfortable and it's great for my lazy days. The bottoms are incredibly stretchy, which is great if you're like, you know, fluctuating a lot with your weight. This set, I have to say, is my second favorite set. It's kind of like bridal almost. It reminds me of like, I'm going to go get married. But the black lace really, I don't know why, but from this angle, like it just makes my boobs look so much bigger. And I'm literally the only one who's going to see that. But like, it's just, it made me feel so empowered. I have to admit, I wish I'd gotten a thong or a different pair of underwear with this because I don't like how big the back of the underwear feels on me. But other than that, it's really, really comfortable. This last set, I'm not going to show you guys the underwear because the underwear was too revealing. But again, this is like perfect for summer, for those dainty days where you just want to feel delicate and really super feminine. As you guys can see, this is what the underwear that I picked chose came with, what it looked like. So you guys would know that it's a little too revealing. But the bra itself is so incredibly elegant and fun and flirty feeling. And I absolutely love how thick the band is. That is it for today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please let me know what kind of video you would like to see next on my channel. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.